Welcome back to the channel.
My name is Isikan Ikpe and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about self-attachment policy. Why do we need it and what is self-attachment policy? So self-attachment is a feature in Microsoft Defender XDR for Office 365. And what does it do? When an inbound email messages arrive at an organization, your company for instance, Exchange Online Protection EOP scans the messages for any malicious software. And once it does that, Safe Attachment Service then uses a virtual environment to check the attachment in the messages in the email. It makes sure that there is no um, virus or any sophisticated, never before seen malicious software. And sometimes we have what they call zero-day threats that the traditional signature-based antivirus could miss. So safe attachment checks for uses what they call behavioral analysis in a virtual environment to detect malicious intent. All right. So once that is done, take note that there is no built-in or default self-attachment policy, just like every other policy. Yeah. So under email and collaboration, we go to policy and rules, and then you now select self-attachment under threats policies. Let's look for save attachment. Here you go, save attachment. And then just go ahead and click on create. So give your save attachment a unique name. I'm going to just call it Grace Tonality Save Attachment. Just leave it that way. Yeah, click on next. So which of the users do we want to um, apply this to? I'm going to use my name first. You can also apply it at a level of at a group level. All right. So just going to apply it to all as you can. I think there were about 3 as you can. Yeah. All right. I can also do that at the group level. We have HR group. Do we have that? Yeah, we have HR updates. We have security. No, do we have what other group do we have? Um, okay, let's leave it at that. Um, I'm gonna add another user as Sabe, Esther. These are my users. And then lastly, there's a demo user I created. I'll also add that. Awesome. So the domain, I have about 3 domains here. I have .com and the .net. I also have gracetonality.net.ng. That should pop up. Then lastly, I have demo. Yes, the domain demo. Who should I exclude? Nobody. So the next thing we're going to do is, yes, so here we are. We just finished our scope. Who do we apply it to? So now we are configuring the settings. All right, so we'll just choose one. Block. Yeah, block. We have monitor and block actions might cause significant delay in message delivery. Dynamic delivery is only available for recipient with hosted mailboxes. Um, but it's recommended to use block. All right, let's use block. Then what we have quarantine. Where is it? Quarantine policy. Admin only. What else do we have? Yeah, admin only. Then redirect messages with detected attachment. Enable redirects only. So all of this depends on your company's or your organization's need per time. All right. Send which is a content which says it specific. Yeah, you can send it to um send it to this email. Yes, send it to this email. I can handle this. All right. So the next go next. And that is just it's as simple as that. Using block current and future messages and attachment with detected malware, redirect the attachment to this email. So if you want to change your mind, do anything, you can go ahead. So if you put it at off, attachment will not be scanned by save attachment. So it's as good as you not having the policy enabled, and that is not recommended. All right. So monitor. What does monitor do? It delivers the message if malware is detected and track scanning results. Block current and future messages and attachment with detected malwares. So let me just use monitor. Yeah, let me use monitor. Let's go on. So just click on submit and that should validate and then create the attachment. So your save attachment policy called grace tonality, or I didn't spell this right, but that's not a problem. Once that is done, you click on done. That should already have been, that should already show up here. Let's see. So I will just go ahead and, yeah, the priority is 0. Let me see if I can do anything to this. So the policy is on. My intention is to make this video very short and straight to the point. Otherwise, I would have just simulated a kind of test run to see how the policy turned out. But once you do that, you're good to go. You're now sure that your messages, your email is safe from malicious softwares and the intent of the bad actors out there. All right, see you in the next video where I will do more on security. Thank you. Do well to subscribe, like, and share.